Hey guys, today we're playing bandits. Well, we're not actually playing bandits. We saw a white vehicle over there. It's over there. And we think it's the bandits vehicle. And I have my sisters here. And our little cousin here.
We're gonna walk like 5 mountains.
Yeah. And we're looking for the treasure.
Can I hold the camera?
So we're gonna, that's my vlog though.
I know.
So we're gonna take like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, hiking up like 4 to 5 mountains. So we're gonna see you when we're like going in the entrance.
Yes.
Okay. So hey guys, we're here now, and we're on this bridge. Yes.
You know you can turn it around, right?
I know. I just no. That's for a camera.
Okay, put it. Let me see.
No.
Let me show them. Can I hold it?
That's wonderful. Guys, it's so bright.
Through the arrow.
It's the morning right now. We're gonna go up that.
That's the way that we went.
There's an arrow. I don't see it.
Mommy, we're going a different trail, right? Wait, who has to go to the bathroom?
Not me.
I need us to try at least.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let's go. Try. Give me the phone, mommy, so I can take a picture of you guys.